Hello friends, welcome to Testing Talks Latest. In today's video, I am going to explain what is the difference between soft and hard assertions in Selenium with TestNG using Java. In framework, we can use whether hard or soft assertions for verification. Hard assertions will stop the execution and throw the exception, but soft assertions allow to continue the execution to the end of the test. So based on our usage, we can use whether soft assertions or hard assertions in our test. Subscribe our channel for the latest interview questions and tutorials. I am going to explain both soft and hard assertions with examples. So let me create a class hard and soft assertions. So I'm just create a Java class with name hard and soft assertions, and it has created a constructor. We do not need constructor for this test, so I'm going to use a test and giving public void method name as verification, and let me import our test annotation and defining our web driver with driver name and assign it as null. Initially I am going for the soft assertions. So let me import web driver and initialize driver as new Chrome driver. Within the method, I am using Selenium 4.3, so I will not use system.setProperty for initializing Chrome driver. So let me import Chrome driver, and I am going to use demo web shop tricentis.com for demo. So using driver.get, I am going to launch this URL. Let me go for the home page, and we'll use the home page here. So on home page, I'm going to verify the title. So if you want to check title, you can use inspect method and check title tag for from the code, or this is the title of the page, demo web shop. Let me inspect and try to find it is in header title demo web shop. So you can copy it and add assertion. So expected title is string expected title equals demo web shop. Now I am going to implement soft assertion. Soft assert with the name soft assert equals to new soft assert. Let me import this class for using the methods. Now I can use soft assert dot assert equals for verifying the expected title with the actual title. So let me get the title of the page using driver dot get page title, get title. So this is for assertion in the main page. We can even click on any of the link and check one more assertion, like we can click on the computer's link and we can verify the next page title too. So computer's link title is slash h reference is slash computers, so that I'm going to create web element. So I'm already created a method to wait for the element for the clickability. So this will return the web element. This is defined in the custom methods. I'm going to use this method wait for clickable to wait explicitly in our test, so that test won't be failed if page does not load it immediately. So let me use custom methods class to get this method. So I'm going to initialize custom methods. Custom methods and import this class. Import custom methods from utilities. Now I'm utilizing wait for clickable method from custom methods. So as you see, custom methods class is using driver and by locator and using wait until to wait for the locator, so that we need to pass driver and locator for waiting. So as we see, we can use XPath for this handling of H reference with value slash computers. So it is input with a, since it is a link, it will have the input value a. So H reference is the attribute, and for links we can specify parent as a. So now as you see, this is the locator we can pass for referencing computers link. Now it will return the web element computers. Let me import web element and let me click on the element computers and assert the title for this computers page. As we see, demo website computers is the title for this page. Let me copy the title and assert it. String expected page title. So we are waited for clicking on the element. Even we can wait for the next common element in this page, such as desktops. Once click on the computer space, we can wait for the element with slash desktops, so that after click on computers link, let me verify the expected page title for the computers using soft assertion. As we see, first title itself we have given wrong. Still it is soft assertion. Our execution will continue. So that let me add one more assertion with proper expected title and let we add try catch to find any exceptions will be thrown for this test. System out print ex. Let me catch our exception. Ex dot get message. So at the end of the assertions are created, we have to add a soft assert dot assert soft assert dot assert all for asserting the verifications. Let we add semicolon here and remove slash. Let we execute our test and see the result. Run as test.ng suite. I already added hard and soft assertions class here for the execution. Let me run our test and see the result. I clicked on run as test.ng suite with hard and soft assertions for the test. Our test started running and the browser got open. Though we have given the wrong title for the verification, it clicked on the computer's link, and as we see, our test got failed, but execution is done. So that as we see in this steps, all the steps are executed and assertions has been made, and with wrong assertions test is failed. So if we use other steps like hard assertions, let me comment this part and use the hard assertions and see what will be happen. Hard assertions are like assert dot assert equals. This is hard assertion. We'll give the expected and actual title. Already imported assert, so that we not import again. Let we verify these assertions and see whether computer's link will be clicked or not with hard assertions. So next verification is expected computer page title with the computer page title. Let we execute our test with hard assertions and see how it will be executed. So as per the hard assertions, test should be stopped at line 27. Since mismatch has been found with the title, we have given demos web shop desktop, but the actual title is demo web shop. I am running the test. Test started running and page got opened. As we see, computer's link does not click and test got failed. This is the major difference between soft and hard assertions. Based on our requirement, we can either use soft assertion or hard assertion. Generally, people use hard assertions as part of the test, and based on the requirement, whenever it is required, we can use soft assertions as needed. Subscribe my channel for the latest interview questions and tutorials. Thanks for your support.